Hey there, if so, you may be wondering what the disadvantages are. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the potential drawbacks of using a Monzo card. What is a Monzo card? Before we get into the disadvantages, let's take a quick look at what a Monzo card is. Monzo is a UK-based challenger bank that offers a range of financial products, including current accounts, debit cards, and overdrafts. Monzo cards are known for their sleek design and innovative features, such as real-time spending notifications and budgeting tools. Disadvantages of a Monzo card. 1. No overdraft protection. One of the biggest disadvantages of a Monzo card is that it does not offer overdraft protection. This means that if you spend more money than you have in your account, you will be charged an overdraft fee. This can be a problem if you are not careful with your spending or if you experience unexpected expenses. 2. Limited international spending. Monzo cards can be used overseas, but there are some limitations. For example, you can only withdraw up to £200 per day from ATMs. You may also be charged a foreign transaction fee, which can be as high as 3%. 3. No physical branches. Monzo does not have any physical branches, which can be inconvenient if you need to speak to someone in person. However, Monzo does offer online and in-app chat support. 4. Limited customer service. Monzo's customer service can be slow to respond, especially if you contact them outside of business hours. This can be frustrating if you have a problem with your card or account. 5. No interest on savings. Monzo does not offer any interest on your savings. This means that your money will not grow over time. Conclusion. Monzo cards can be a great option for some people, but they are not without their disadvantages. If you are considering getting a Monzo card, it is important to weigh the pros and cons carefully. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.